Hi everybody, it's Doc, and here I am in this fantastic diesel engine with engineer Chris. And wow, we're just looking out there. Such a beautiful day to go for a train ride, and you know I'm in bliss if I'm inside a train. So hey Chris.
Hey, we have a steam engine coming.
Hey, we do. Okay, here it comes. Like, got another one coming right along the way. Here comes the steam engine. I don't know if you can see down the track. Here they come. Woo! Wow, there you go. Hey, you guys. There they are. Wow. Hey, you guys. How you doing? There he is. How you doing, man? How you guys doing? Nice day for a train ride. Woo! Good to see you, my friend. So, hi, I'm Doc Phineas from Las Vegas Steampunk Community, and I'm here with my dear friend Chris. And Chris, we're on an amazing train, and we're here at the Nevada Railway Museum in Boulder City, Nevada. And gosh, this is an amazing train, Chris. I love this train.
I'm glad you came out to see it. This locomotive is the last one of its kind. We raised funds to save it from a scrapyard back in 2003.
Yeah.
And now that it's being saved from the scrapyard, my mission is to preserve and restore and operate this locomotive for future generations.
Oh, it's just so great, and we applaud you as steampunks for saving trains. That's our raison d'etre, like to just keep railway going, and we're all such aficionados of trains, and especially vintage trains.
Well, speaking of going, we better get going and keep on schedule. If I'm going to get you over here,
I'd love it.
Get moving.
Oh my gosh, can you believe this, you guys? Here I am driving a train, so God help us.
We must sound the horn 2 times going forward. On the railroad, if you sound it once, that means you're stopped.
Okay.
If you sound it twice, you're going forward.
You're going forward.
3 anyone wants to be a train engineer, come on down to the Nevada State Railroad Museum. Come volunteer your time, learn about air brakes. And when you learn about air brakes, then you can work your way up. You could be a conductor, a rear brake person, or a locomotive engineer, like Doc today.
Yes, come on down to the Nevada Railway Museum. It's such a fascinating place, so full of history. And you can get educated too as to how to drive a real train.
All right, are you ready to kick us ahead, Doc?
I'm ready. Let's take this loot and go to the next state with your car.
We're gonna drag race the steam engine here. And then here we go.
It's on! It's on! It's on!
He just called us slow. We were
I
slow.
know. Come on, not Jerry!
Oh
We're
boy.
gonna smoke you! Literally! Take this.
Out here, he's got her feet, which is okay.
That's okay. That's
The steam engine
like
wins every time.
age before beauty.
Yeah, there you go. One toot on the horn. Good job.
Alright.
All right, well, how about there? The passenger on the next train over needs to get to their destination. Why don't we hop over there?
Let's do
and
it.
We'll run the 844 and keep them up for a train ride.
Let's take over that train. Here we go.
Yes, you can.
Yes, sir.
All right, Doc, we're out here at Railroad Pass. We got to get the people back to Boulder City Station.
We gotta take them back.
Yeah,
Way out here in the desert.
they're late for brunch, and we're out here in the middle of the desert.
Here we are. Boy, I'm ready to drive that train back. How do you feel, Chris?
Let's do it.
Let's
Do
take
it that
it.
way. Here we
Engine 844, we are ready to go back to Boulder City, and we are requesting your authorization to proceed.
Engineer, you are authorized.
All
right.
They copy highball.
Copy highball.
Here we go. All right, so we got 2 toots on the horn because we're going forward.
2 toots.
Yep.
constant maintenance to keep these tracks good?
There's a dedicated group of volunteers that come out here every week, and they look at every single joint that the rails are holding together. That's a lot of joints to look at.
A lot.
They deserve a lot of credit. The volunteers that come out here on their own time, and they are inspecting the tracks, the ties, the spikes, and they're looking for any kind of defects that are out there to keep the train safe.
So in the days of the trains, when they were crossing America, did all of that have to be going on? Like, my gosh.
They had crews dedicated to a whole section, and their job was just to make sure that the tracks
Make
are
sure
ready
the tracks are okay.
for all those trains. Yeah.
Wow. 844 to Boulder City Station Master, requesting authorization to enter Boulder City Station.
Got a copy authorized.
Copy authorized.
Good job.
All righty.
844 conductor, copy.
The conductor
Right,
is
into
copy.
the station.
All right.
Okay, so we need to take it down to 10 miles an hour. So take the throttle and move it to number 2.
Number 2.
And then number 1. Good job. Okay, 1 mile in front line. Good job.
So we've had a wonderful day on the train today, Chris. This has been fantastic. In fact, I think one of the best days of my life, because this is a dream come true to get to drive a really amazing vintage passenger train. That was fun.
I'm glad you brought the passengers back safely to the station.
I'm glad we got back safely to the station. I had my doubts there in some moments, but we did a good job. And look at this gorgeous train, man. This is so much fun. We steampunks absolutely adore train culture. So this is such a high moment for us to get to do that, especially for me to be here. Thank you.
I'm sad you're leaving. I hope you come back and get trim.
Oh, are you kidding me? I'll be back here soon with maybe about 300 people in tow.
There we go. Bring them on.
Hey everybody, hello from the Nevada Southern Railway Museum in Boulder City. And when you come to Las Vegas, you've got to put this on your bucket list. You just gotta come here and go out with Engineer Chris and ride the fantastic Nevada Southern Railway. Thanks everybody.
Hey, look. Those guys, they got that locomotive again.
Oh my God.